Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have created a list of top 8 free antivirus as per my personal experience because I have been using computers from last more than 10 years and I think these all are the best free antiviruses in the world which you can download free for free and you can use it without like paying any money. So in my list at the number 8 it's a Panda Security. It's a free antivirus protection which you can download for free on the official website at Panda Security. And at the number 7 list is Malwarebyte. So what is the feature of the Malwarebyte is that it's a very good antivirus. It can give you internal protection as well as the external protection as well. That means it can also give you the notification. It can also block the threats to come from the browsers or from any particular website. Even if you go to any website and that is not secure, it will definitely give you the warning that yes, the website you're going to look at, that is not secure. And at the number 6 list, it's Kaspersky free antivirus. uh, the best part of this security is that it's most used security in the USA peoples love this Kaspersky security. And yes, this is very good security because whenever like you download any file from the internet and it's any kind of like new files which can harm your computer, then it will definitely delete those files automatically to come into your computer. And at number 5 list, it's Bitdefender free antivirus security. If I talk about the paid version, it's a best security I have ever seen, Bitdefender, if I talk about as a paid version. But if I talk about the free version, it's a very good security. It can give you a real-time protection. That means it will uh, it will give you like the same protection as Malwarebyte provides. It's even more than Malwarebyte because it can give you protection from the Trojan files or from like any kind of virus files as well. So at the number 4 list, it's ABG antivirus protection. The best part of this antivirus protection is that this is a very good antivirus security for Windows users, and it's easily available for free. And one more benefit of this security is that uh, it can give you protection from any kind of like spam emails as well, which contain some threats files, which is not secure, which is not good for your computers. That means it will give you like it will filter all types of websites to come into your computers. Even if you plug any external device and if you transfer any files from your any external device to your computer, it will give you that protection as well. It can make sure that yes, you should not transfer any bad files to your computer system. So at the number 3 list, it's Avira free antivirus. And the good thing is this antivirus that it have been given latest version of updates every time like you will go on the internet. You can find the updates very easily, and it's also a very good antivirus. You can just run a full complete scan. It will give you features whether you want to scan your computer partially or the fully, and you can scan manually by yourself, and you can find like it will find whether you have any infected files to your computer or not. And at the number 2 list, it's Avast antivirus. It's widely used antivirus across the world. If you will measure in the terms of number of downloads, it's the most downloaded the antivirus across the world because it will give you full protection. If I talk about the free and the paid version of the antivirus of Avast, it's near about the same security. So this is the reason like Avast is one of the best security in the world. So in my list at the top is a Komodo antivirus security because the best part of this security is that it will give you almost all security, all protection you require for any computer. You do not need to buy any paid antivirus security. You can just download this Komodo security and you will have all the protection for your system. All those, like if I talk about the Windows Defender, that is also good security. Windows Defender, it will give you like a real-time protection. You don't require, like since Windows 10 is introduced, you don't require any like third-party protection for the Windows computer, but still you need these protections so that no any external files or any external attack should harm your computer. Because if you are updated or if you have been like reading the news and the articles online, there was a, like a huge ransomware attack across the world, and more than 1050 country was the target of that attack. So you can download this Komodo antivirus security. This is the one of the best security I have ever seen across the world. I mean, if I talk about the protection, you will have the maximum protection with this Komodo antivirus security. So these are the list, and for like how to download, I have mentioned the direct downloading link in the descriptions. You can directly go to the description and you can just copy the downloading link, and you can directly post like you can directly paste those links in your address bar of your browser, and it will start downloading. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please thumbs up and share this video to your friends and neighbor. Thank you so much.